Hello, good morning. Today I am doing a walking as well as also doing a English speaking practice. Because I know what is the language. Language is a very important things. By the help of language, we can express our thought in front of people, in front of students, in front of co-learners also. Language are different types of language worldwidely, like Hindi, English, Japanese, Chinese, French, Kumaoni, Gadwali. So many different languages are here. So language, there we can express our language in different ways, like by the help of speaking, writing, and by the sign. So there are three means of presenting our languages in front of people. Number first, we can speak directly with them. We can write on a paper, then present worldwidely. We can sign it by the help of sign. We can present it. So there are three mediums of presenting our thought and languages in front of other people and worldwidely also. You see around us, languages play a very important role in our life. Every human beings have their own languages and on their thought. They can present it by the help of languages. So you see around us, every animals have also their languages. We can't understand their language, but they have also language. So language is a very important for everyone. If we understand the very good presentation skills, so it will become very helpful for us. Those person understand how to present their thought very clearly in front of others. They will become a successful in future. There are so many types of presentation skills. Those people are very expert. Other people understand their languages very clearly and meaningfully. So even those teachers will become a successful in their life. Those have such types of skill. They can express content matter in front of a student very easily and meaningfully and understandably. They will become a more successful. The student will able to understand everything those teacher teach them. So first of all, the mastery of language is a very important. It gives us more and more motivation while I am presenting our content matter in front of student, in front of society, in front of co-learners, in front of colleague, etc. So the worldwidely you see nowadays, English is a powerful language for connecting worldwidely, sharing our thought worldwidely. We have such types of technology available, like a phone, internet, tablet, computer, print media, electronic media, YouTube, so many other platforms available around us. By the help of that media, we can present our ideas worldwide and understand in which types of areas are required to improve ourselves, myself, what types of ideas we should acquire mostly, because there are so many ideas around us. So by the help of language, we can acquire such types of ideas also. So those content is very beneficial for peoples. Those are very understandable. Those are very enjoyable. Those are very knowledge based. Those give us more and more help in future. They give us more and more motivation in the various sides like science, technology, humanity, ideas of enjoyment, film, and so many types of contents available with our life, in our life. So how you present your presentation in front of other people, so it is a mastery, it is art of presentation. So art of presentation require various places like teaching, like administration, like a politician, like social workers, like everywhere. It's very important for every side of human progressive way. Those are understanding such types of mastery. They will surely become a very successful in future. So first of all, what types of knowledge you have, it is also important parts of sharing our knowledge to others. So we have a lot of knowledge, it's very good, but if we haven't no presentation skill, that knowledge in front of other people, so what will be our such types of knowledge not influence other people? Why? Because we haven't know such types of skill, how to present our knowledge in front of other people. We all people are doing progress together, because some people give us other side of knowledge, like a teacher teach us, doctor give us a service, and lawyers give us law material, law and rules, and other types of assistance, and so many the builders give us buildings, and other shopkeepers provide us various things. In this world, you see around us, everything is happening by the help of different types of people, and they are skilled. We are using different types of goods and service. So it is not possible without other human beings. You what is your contribution in this society and world? So also it is important for us. Why I am here? Because we should give more and more contribution for giving a good humanity, giving assistance to other, providing our knowledge to other. So it is a meaningful life of everyone. So I am doing a practice nowadays, because it's take time. I am not perfect. Also others also not perfect. Those persons are very good than me. Please provide me such types of knowledge, what types of practice I am doing now in this time. So if you give me such types of help, I will always thankful for you. So thank you very much. see it, listen it, give feedback and comment how I will become a fluent speaker in future. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.